Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're listening. Welcome back. Day 35 of our 100-day challenge. Today mark the 5-week completion. Going strong, going healthy, going and always excited to come back and talk to you. It's like a family and it's like a special time for your family for some special thoughts. And guys, those who are listening this video for the first time, this is a journey where we have embarked on a 100-day challenge, and every day we are undiscovering, unfolding some true facts of life to make it more meaningful, more impact, and more joyful, and more healthier. And guys, I think this would be a perfect time to recap what we have unfolded till now. I think a lot of things we have uncovered. First is our openness, that we are surrendering to the higher powers, to the universe. Whatever is coming, we are accepted. That's a second thing. And then is our attitude, our behavior towards some circumstances, towards our life. How What are the different routines we need to follow consistently, and what do we need to do, how we should be committed of getting the new life, make it more meaningful. What are the different aspects we have covered. I also shared some routines and exercise which we do every day, which we should do every day, at least 5-10 minutes in the morning after we get up, and just to recognize what strengths we are, what qualities we are having, what God has gifted us, and having that gratitude, that will make you a lot of what you say, the confidence and empowerment in you, that this is what you are actually. And then I think we also spoke about that our what do you say, acceptance is very powerful over here, that if we are in acceptance state, whatever it may come, we are committed, we are dedicated, we are focused towards our goal. And that's very important. And I think I probably would have touched these points over here in the past, but I will re-emphasize over here, is the focus on the end game. Whenever you see any what do you say, any sportsman, what is whenever they go to play a game, they have the final vision. They feel, they always have that vision, okay, this is what they are feeling at the end of the game, if they have to, and they feel they are already a winner, and that's how they go and approach that game, because they know they are the winner. That's where, guys, we need to have that end vision in our mind. If you are buying a new house, if you are getting a new car, focus that, or have that vision, that you already are in that state, you already have that car, you already have that house, and everything will come aligned to that vision. So it's very important that you are focused towards your end game, and that end game is your vision of of your goal, what you want to be, what you desire to be. And if you have that end game and vision, everything will come skyrocketing to you. This universe, this higher powers, they already have given so much. It's our openness towards acceptance will get those things aligned with us actually. So guys, I think this was a very important topic, that if we have that end game in our vision, lot of things will get uncovered, undiscovered automatically by its own. We don't have to even look after it. Just be on the path, just be committed, just be consistent, just be focused, just be dedicated. I think this, we hear these many words, but we have to get this implemented now. You have to put you have to give your 100%, and everything else will come good to you. So guys, I think this was a perfect summary of what we have discovered till now. And thank you so much for listening always to me, and guys who are sharing your thoughts and beliefs and their love, it's always appreciated. And consider subscribing to my channel, and any thoughts, any inputs, any insights, any topic you would like to discover for this community, I'm open for that. The intent is to make this community more empowered and more closely knitted, and we are a family now, guys. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great and a wonderful day till we meet tomorrow. Have a great and enjoy your day. Take care. Bye.